Good afternoon. I'm Nancy Astride, Diversity and Workforce Services Division Director at the Office of State Human Resources, and it's my privilege to introduce our next speaker, Barbara Gibson, Director of the Office of State Human Resources. Director Gibson joined state government as an agency human resources director for the Department of Labor soon after the ADA became law in 1990. Early on, she embraced this monumental civil rights law for its protections to individuals with disabilities. Throughout her years as a human resources leader in state government, she has consistently advocated for individuals with disabilities and promoted an inclusive and welcoming work environment. She recognizes the value that individuals with disabilities bring to the workplace and has tirelessly championed their rights and opportunities. In 2017, Governor Cooper appointed her as Director of the Office of State Human Resources, where she leads with extraordinary energy and personal commitment. When Governor Cooper signed Executive Order 92, Employment First for North Carolinians with Disabilities in March of 2019, Director Gibson made a pledge for state agencies to be more collaborative and proactive when she joined him at the order's ceremonial signing. She pledged, "We will ensure that people with disabilities are more aware of job opportunities, encouraged to participate in competitive interviews, and welcome to share not just their skills, but also their perspective on how we can advance further in making North Carolina the most job-ready state in the nation." Her strong pledge guides our work at OSHR as we continue to make state government more inclusive for individuals with disabilities. Please welcome State Human Resources Director, Barbara Gibson.
Thank you for the opportunity to participate in this virtual conference marking the 30th anniversary of the Americans with Disabilities Act. As Director of the Office of State Human Resources, I assure you that I understand the cornerstone of the ADA, and my team and I are dedicated to ensuring individuals with disabilities access the same employment opportunities and benefits available to those without disabilities. I recognize and I value the unique talents and experiences that individuals with disabilities bring to the workforce. I firmly believe and embrace differently able employees in the workforce as making it more representative of the people that we serve, and ultimately this diversity enhances our workplaces for everyone. My strong support stems from my own experiences as a mother advocating for my children's needs, but it goes even further back. I grew up in a household in which my mom often described the lengths in which she went to advocate for exceptional health care and opportunities for my sister, who was disabled since birth. The Americans with Disabilities Act is a great advance, but we must continue to improve. One of the reasons I have been so grateful for my state government career, and specifically to work with then Attorney General Roy Cooper at the Department of Justice, is because he set a workplace culture that supported families, including those with special needs. I could not have worked and raised my children, given their health issues, without the flexibility and support that his administration provided. Today, Governor Cooper's commitment to individuals with disabilities continues to be expanded and supported throughout North Carolina state government. I was proud to stand with Governor Cooper in March of 2019 when he signed Executive Order 92, Employment First for North Carolinians with Disabilities. Surrounded by self-advocates with disabilities and allies from across the state, he established North Carolina as an employment-first state to increase opportunities for fair wages, employment, and meaningful careers for individuals with disabilities. My team at the Office of State Human Resources was proud to be tasked with several actions to further the goals of this order, specifically for state government employment. We are taking steps to improve recruitment and outreach efforts to identify and track qualified individuals with disabilities for state employment. We have partnered with DHHS in this quest, including our current plans for a shared virtual job fair to create safe and accessible pathways for job seekers of all abilities to learn about state government job opportunities. We've implemented enhanced accessibility of the state application form, and we have improved facilitation of accommodations during hiring through clear, reasonable accommodations guidelines. We are building upon existing training programs to specifically highlight individuals with disabilities, including an opportunity to improve data collection so we can measure our efforts and our improvements. This month, aligning with the 30th anniversary of the ADA and as part of the Employment First efforts, we have launched a new voluntary self-identification of disability form within the employee self-service portal of the state's HR payroll system. It is our goal to improve our understanding of the representation of individuals with disabilities in all types of jobs and build upon this understanding to recruit and sustain a diverse and inclusive workplace within state government. State government continues to provide vital services to the people of North Carolina during this pandemic. We are still hiring necessary staff at agencies statewide. There are both on-site and work-at-home opportunities in state government that are available right now. I encourage you to visit nc.gov/jobs to learn about opportunities that may be right for you. Thank you to those who are attending this event for your commitment to improving our workplace for individuals with disabilities, because working together, we can make all workplaces more welcoming and inclusive of individuals with disabilities.